A day in my life as a makeup artist. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your star girl Max, and if you're new on this channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you to each and every one of you for liking, commenting, sharing. Let me give you guys a little background story of the makeup. So my client reached out to me and said she wanted to book my service. This is a first time client and I really want to go hard and impress her, and that is why I am going to be going all out for her during this makeup process or makeup session. And I like clients that do not stress, make payments, confirm booking, and voila, the makeup is done. So guys, stay tuned while I show you guys how everything went, the hotel, the makeup, my clients, the transition. Stay tuned. I have packed my makeup stuffs and I am waiting for my driver to come and pick me up. It's 4:36 and I am waiting for my driver. My appointment is by 5, and you wouldn't want to smell horrible or smell like your problems, so I'll just have to spray this on my body. This is my body mist. I have to spray this to smell nice, and while we wait for my driver to come.
My keke guy came and we started heading to the hotel. It rained cat and dog. Everywhere was flooded, everywhere was wet, and I just had to go for the job because I'd already been paid and wouldn't want to glam up my beautiful clients. And I got into the street. I saw the hotel and we got to the hotel, and I called my client to ask her the number she was in, the room number she was, and we got into the hotel room, see my beautiful client, and this is the after video. Yeah, so you can see how beautiful she looks, and the makeup really ate, like it ate. You guys should rate it over 1,000. And after that, I just decided to vibe to the song, waiting for my keke driver. He kind of delayed, but it was still okay for me because I was just vibing and I loved the music a lot. I said, okay, let me go out of the rain and stay here, but that was when my keke driver came and we started going back home. Home sweet home. Thank you guys, we have come to the end of this vlog. Bye.